Yes. So we started, and sorry about that. And we'll be starting with what is forex trading. What is forex trading? So, guys, many people will be like, forex trading. It's forex trading. Like, it's like, what's that thing? Basically, forex is just it's like an acronym for foreign foreign for foreign exchange. Just it means foreign exchange, and this is basically the exchange of different currencies against each other. Now, guys, it is very, very important to understand that forex trading just basically includes the buying and selling of a currency pair or of two currency pairs for profit purpose, for making profits. For example, let me give us an example. For example, now I'm in Nigeria and I needed to go to the United States of America for probably a program, a concert, or for a training. You understand? And I'm using the naira, but guys, I basically cannot spend the naira in the United States of America. Abi? Yeah. So then, what do I have to do? I have to exchange my naira into what? Into dollar, into the United States dollar. So, for example, if I have to spend $100, $100 is what I use, and the market rate was 500 per dollar, 500 naira per dollar. So what I just need to say is 100 times, see, that's $100 times the 500 naira. I'll be having 1,000 naira. So guys, automatically now I've sold my dollar. I sold my naira in exchange for what? For a dollar. So the exchange rate, by doing this, I have participated in what? The foreign exchange. And this is basically forex trading. So for instance, if probably I changed my mind, you understand, and then I won't be going to America again based on some things, and probably the training has been shifted, then I took my 50,000 naira. Then I need to return this. Sorry, I took the $100. Sorry, I took the $100. Now, please, I won't be going again. I have to return this $100, and then you are going to give me what? My 50,000 naira back. But when I got there, they told me that the exchange rate moved from 500 naira to 560 naira. So definitely 560 naira times 5 times my $100 that I'm going to return. It's going to be what? 56,000 naira. So guys, I just made 6,000 naira for doing nothing, for just exchanging a currency for another. Basically, guys, this is just what forex trading is. It is about getting a currency, exchanging it. So you can exchange your naira with the Great British pounds. You can exchange your dollar with the South African rand, with the Ghana cedis, and the likes of that. This is basically what is happening in the forex exchange. But now the forex trading is bringing this to like an online platform whereby with my $100 I can exchange any currency in the world using my MT4 interface and the help with an understanding of either technical or analysis. Hey guys, so this is just basically it. So now, it's like during the days of the trade by barter, during the olden days whereby, okay, give me yam, I'll give you rice. Give me cow, I'll give you milk. They were exchanging something. You had to bring something for something. I don't know if you are getting this, guys. And now, as you understand this, it's very important that we know that the forex exchange market, the foreign exchange market, that's the forex market, has been since 1970. This market has been available. Although the pattern has not been really easy as it is now with the use of the MT4, technology is advancing, then it was a bit complex. And in fact, not everybody could even participate, in the forex market then. And this market, it is also important that it is in fact, it is the largest financial market in the world. A daily turnover of 5.6 trillion daily. Guys, and now this is said to be moving around $6.7 trillion daily now. Guys, this is the largest financial market in the world. Imagine a market that has a liquidity of $5.6 trillion. This is a money that the central bank cannot take alone. The Great British pounds cannot take it. The big boys cannot take it. Like, basically, nobody can take all this money. This is a very, very, very large market. They have given us the opportunity to come in, take the one we can, and then move. So, guys, and it is also important to know that this is a 24-hour market. And the forex market is open 24 hours. Hours, Mondays to Monday to Friday market, and everything that happens in this market, it is just basically buying and selling. Some people will be like, what happens? What happens in the forex market, or how do I make money from the forex market, guys? It is just basically buying and selling of currencies, different currencies. It's just it, guys. This is just it. You don't need to be confused. You don't need to make it complex. And another question is, some people will be like, since we've answered the question of what is forex trading, some people will be like, okay, what is traded forex market? The simple answer is money. Guys, money. Guys, money is traded in the foreign exchange market. This money, it is traded, and it is in the form of what? Currencies. Guys, it doesn't have to be difficult. Very, very easy. We trade. So, like the example I used, I had to take my $100, my 50K, and then I made a profit of what? 56,000 naira. What did I trade? Nothing else but money. But then I traded money in what? Currencies. A currency against the other currency. So this is just basically what it is. But then, using the MT4 interface, I can trade the Great British pounds against the United States dollar and make profit from it, even with just owning a dollar account or with the help of my broker. I can trade the New Zealand dollar with the South African rand. You understand? So, guys, everything that is traded in those forex market, it is money, but in form of what? Currencies. And this is what brings us to the question of, what are the major currencies in the forex market? What are the major currencies on the forex market? Guys, it is very, very important to know that these currencies I'll be listing, they are called the major currencies because they are like the backbone of the forex market. And then we have one. I will explain this. We have GBP, we have euro, we have USD, sorry, we have USD, we have CHF, we have CHF, we have AUD, then we have JPY, and then we have NZT. Yeah, guys, these are the basic currencies in the forex market. Now, guys, many of you might be wondering what is CAD, what is GBP, what is EUR, what is USD, what is CHF, what is AUD, what is... So guys, many of us will be wondering what is CAD, what is Euro, what is GBP, what is USD, and the likes of that. So it's very important to understand that all these stuffs, these short forms, they are called codes, currency codes. They are called currency codes. And these codes are majorly, there's an organization that has been put in place, that are responsible for creating these codes. And they are known as the International Standardization Organization, that's ISO. They are known as the ISO. So they are the only organization, you understand, that approves these codes. You understand? And they are the only ones that are responsible. So how are these codes formed? How do we get this code? Basically, these codes just signify, for the first two letters is always the name of the country, and the last one is the currency of the country. So for example, we have the Canadian dollar card, CA Canadian, D for dollar. That's because it's basically the name of the country and the currency they spend. We have the Great British pounds, that's GBP. Sorry, we have the euro. The euro is the European euro. The US, United States dollar. The CHF is the Swiss francs. It's called the Swiss francs. Funds thereabouts. The AUD is the Australian dollar. The Japanese. Japanese, I forgot it by I'm trying to do. The Japanese, and then we have the New Zealand. So guys, basically these are the codes, and this is how they are formed. And it's very important to know that all these codes are what are being traded in the forex market. So you might see something like GBP USD. What does this mean? Is it that I want to buy the Great British pounds against the United States dollar, or I want to sell it? I see something like AUR AUD. I'm sorry, GBP AUD. Understand the likes of NZD JPY. So these are different, the Japanese yen and the New Zealand dollar, guys. So basically, this is just what happens in the forex market, trading of currency. Basically, that's just it. So guys, that's going to be it about this module. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye guys. Have a lovely day.